Hi, it's John from ESS, and today I want to discuss all the keys I use within Excel. So before I share my list, in general, you'll know that if you Google anyone else, you'll find that there are a lot of shortcut keys as well as tricks that are being taught, and there's sometimes being like 50 or 100 shortcut keys. So the question is, how do you remember all that? The answer is you don't. Um, I've been doing now Excel for 13 years, 13 plus years, and there are only a certain amount of keys that I remember. And believe me, it's not even close to being 20. And that's because what works for me will potentially not work for someone else. Other people prefer having keys in their list, other people prefer just working with a basic way of doing things. It all depends on you and your need. So for me, all the work I've been delivering depends on mainly a few shortcut keys on the keyboard, which is commonly used across a lot of programs, and then the menu itself from Excel as well as my mouse. So to get started, let me show you. The first one I do is the F2 function key, which is the one that actually allows you to enter a cell without having to click with your mouse. Then you have the F4 one that changes the referencing of your cell in the formula. But don't worry about the details of it now. This is just to give you an overview. As I do the courses on the skill-specific courses on formulas, you'll understand these terminologies. As I said, F4 is for the cell referencing changes. Then your Control X, which is used commonly in Windows, is to cut something, the information. Control C, copy. Control V, paste. Control Z, undo. Control Y, redo. Control A is to select all your cells within Excel. Control, and now ignore the shift, control right arrow key means that move the selection in your cell to the right hand side till you find the first cell populated. If you hold in the shift, you will be selecting all of those cells. But if you don't hold the shift in, it's just moving the cursor, but that will be explained later. Same with the left, up and down. Tab key is to move your selection to the next cell on your right. Enter is to move your selection one down. And then, as I mentioned, your mouse, your right button menu is what I usually refer to a lot. Do your paste specials and a lot of other options, format cells options. And then the next one would be your Excel ribbon menu, which is the common one above your spreadsheet, which you would refer to. So these are the main ones that I use. And as I do show you through the courses, you'll notice that I'll indicate when I'm using certain shortcut keys. Now, there are a lot more other ones, and depending on your need within your field of your work, you might require to have other shortcut keys because you do a specific routine work every day and you don't have time to click a button, you just want to click a shortcut key. As time goes on, we will find those keys and those will be the most important ones to you. So thanks for listening and I look forward to excelling with you.